The International Fragrance Association, IFRA, supports the transition pathway to achieve the Green Deal. The Green Deal is a big deal, and the impact on the business is huge. We have 4 transitions to make by 2050, becoming climate neutral, going circular, going digital, and moving towards safe and sustainable by design. How can we do all this in less than 30 years? We need all stakeholders in concert, and we need to act now. The fragrance industry is deeply rooted across Europe. It is part of Europe's cultural heritage and innovative future. Our industry spends 8% of its revenues on research and innovation, enabling consumer choice and diversity in the marketplace. 50% of the fragrance market in Europe is generated by SMEs. Our value chain supports regional and rural development. The fragrance industry has a strong record of safe use of fragrance through IFRA's Code of Practice and Self-Regulation program. We have built our industry on sustainable competitiveness, science and innovation, rural development, skills, and social equity. These characteristics are all features of the transition pathway. The fragrance sector has a fundamental connection to nature. The vast majority of our creations are rooted in our understanding of the natural world. This proximity to the natural world gives us a deep understanding of green and sustainable chemistry and informs the safe and sustainable design of our natural and synthetic ingredients. This is why we want to bring our expertise to the European policymakers in support of the transition pathway. Sectorial pathways need to become workable and factor in the unique structure and needs of our industry. The actions and changes must be manageable, even for the smallest players, so no one is left behind. IFRA has already contributed to the transition pathways in consultations and meetings. We will continue to do so, helping to equip fragrance manufacturers, large and small, with the tools they need to deliver on the green and digital transition.